friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, we are going to understand the steps to create loan. Loan can be created for a customer. This means you have to first search customer name and then click loan button. Now loan button is provided at 3 locations. First is through this search box. We'll have to search for the customer and then we can see the loan button here. Next, in the customer drop down, if you go to the daily list, you can see the customer and there's a start drop down here. When you go down, you can see the create loan link. Then there's a all list link where it shows you the customer. There's a start drop down here. When you go down, you can see the create loan link. Now let's do this through the search box by searching the customer. Now let me click on the loan button. This will take us to the loan entry form. Now there are different types of loans here, but let's go with the personal loan. We need the basic information, that is the loan amount, say 30,000. Rate of interest is 5. How is this going to be? Daily, monthly or yearly? I'm going to click the monthly. Then there are various interest calculations here, but I'm going to go with the interest with principal because this option is chosen for all the financial types. Then we go down and select the total number of days or weeks here, and then we'll have to know whether this collection is going to happen daily, weekly or monthly. I'm just going to go with week. And how is this collection going to happen? Through cash or bank? Now I'm going to go with cash. Also, there's additional setting down which tells you when the loan disbursement date is going to be and when is the installment start date going to be. Say I keep the loan disbursement date as 7/15 and then the installment start date is going to be say 20. Once you have put all the inputs in place in the form, please do not forget to press the calculate button. This calculate button is going to give us all the information upfront, that is the collection information upfront. So now you can see your installment, how much is it going to be? That is 950. It shows you for a 50 week, and then the projected interest. Once this is done, you can save your loan. This is loan number 3 is saved successfully. Now if you want to see the loan summary, you can just put 3 in the search box and search your loan. Here you can see the loan summary. So what is the weekly installment? When is the next due weekly installment? And then it also shows you the principal, interest, the total due for 50 installments. So this is how we create loan in Jainam Software. Now this way, by automatically creating loans, you can save a lot of time and use this time to do something really important for your business. So I just want to really thank you for watching this video, and please do not forget to subscribe our Jainam Software YouTube channel where you can view videos and explore other features of Jainam Software. Thank you so much and have a great day.